defense. Notice on my, on the tower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the tower, boys! On the tower! On the tower! One tap. Good shit. Full front. Kill what Jokan. Kill the boys, kill. Keep walking with them. Keep walking and spread. Keep walking and spread. Come southwest a bit. Come southwest.
Healers mo lang dyan.
Come southwest. Kiss on the boys inside. Northeast, channel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On micron. Patayin nyo to.
Lalapanan ko ba ito, sir?
Ano ba yan?
Yung shark
Heavy.
Ay, everybody come southeast. Maldito pati wang come southeast.
Pupunta kayo dito.
Coming na kami.
Hold, boys, hold.
Kailan natin yung ano, main sir.
Hold. Hold on the ping. One scout only. DPS doesn't need to scout. Scout lang. Anong progress nila?
Wala silang DA, yung initial report.
Yeah. Parang mapapatay na yung boss. Hold. Just hold it. Wait for our means.
Patay ni boss.
Okay.
I-disrupt nyo lang. Coming na kami.
Pasukin ko na ta. Come.
The southeast.
Come, boys, come. Come. Everyone dismount top of me. On top of the shield, boys. On top of the shield. Look. Look northeast, guys. Ready.
Nakuha.
Get out.
Run.
Get out.
It's okay.
Get out.
Sayang.
Yung strand.
Walk. Keep walking, boys. Walk
Okay,
out,
fine,
boys. Walk out. Walk out. Keep going. Hindi na tayo chase. Keep going. Are you guys getting down? Oh my god. Come, southeast.
Boss team yung
Southeast.
strand
Are you
na
guys
lang.
good? Everyone good?
I'm
Come
good.
southwest, boys. Southwest. Keep going southwest, boys. Mount up. Mount up na. Come southeast.
Come to my ko.
Ayan. Ang gala sa
Dismount here.
Tama, Sen. Ping ka nga.
Ito.
Ay,
Shallow, micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On micron. Kiss on the boys. Di pa natin ito matideclare man. Just kill this one.
Punta na
Hindi ba
natin
natin-
yung strand, pwede pa.
Yung boss team, yung strand, come southwest. Walk south. When yung pasukan sa tari, come south. Come southeast.
Hindi may choke point.
Mantap if you can. We're going pick. Come southwest. Come southeast. We're going pick. Yung boss team ko, are you good?
Itlap dito, sister.
May blood sa strand sa loob, sa labas.
Hello.
Come northeast. Gago tong si Dizzy, pinapupunta yung party 1 na naman, awit na to. Nasa loob sila, Shos?
Oo, nasa loob na.
Kaya nyo ba labanan yan? Keep up?
Try.
kulang akong healer. Pero sige.
Sige, one tap lang natin ba?
Mantap na.
Ingat ka rin pa, sir.
Nandito rin
Gusto mo ako pumunta dun sa... Kasi kompleto ka naman ng healer.
May boss pa rin. Kalahati na. Ay, 1/4.
Just go inside. Huwag kayo magdi-dismantle, just go inside.
Nagtumakbo ni ano, yung... Lurk. Yung gumagawa.
Sino itong namatay? Sa loob?
Ibang player.
Kill this. Kill the boys. Everybody, yung di sa boss team, come southwest. Come south. Come south.
Babalik ko sila.
Oh, come southeast. Just come south. Hold you. Get out. Yung di sa boss team, everybody clear this match. 3 to 1.
Saan ba yung fight, Sen?
So,
come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Pass out na lang ng blob, ano, dito.
Yeah.
Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Everybody else. Sino yung DPS ko na nasa, nasa loob ng dairy? Hello?
Ako yan, naglalag ako.
Sige lang. Habol ka na lang, boss.
Ah, sige. Connection problem.
Yun lang.
Kailangan sila.
Come southeast.
Layo. Uy. Scout ko na.
25 blob na to.
Dito yung blind spot.
Just come southeast.
Sige, pag nandito sila kita yung dito.
Ayun, may tao ulit ata. Yeah, Big Mom.
Come notice.
Ito yung Big Mom. May 4 na ako nakikita nga na boss team. 5.
Come
Big
notice.
Mom, ano nandito ni Big Mom?
Out mo na yung boss team.
Northeast Big Mom. Isang party.
Okay, we're
Boss
coming.
Nasa Northeast Zerkos.
Come notice.
Ano yung blob sa southwest ng Levy?
Sige lang sila, come notice.
Inatake ni boss team mo ha.
Coming.
Wala sila kalbi.
Namatay na yung boss team natin, hindi pa?
Hindi pa buhay. Ako ni pinapatay. Oh my god, sakit. Thank you. Reset na ulit yung boss.
Hold na lang muna natin to. Z, dito na lang muna kayo, Z. One party lang naman yung Big Mom.
Z o Kipo?
Keep up, please. Thank you.
GG.
Hold. Kipo, kaya mo, Kipo?
Sige. Wait lang. Okay.
Party 1, come southwest. Tutulungan natin, Alay.
Kago malaki yun nandito sa pupunta sa, kailangan mo yung buong party mo sen. Para
Saan?
level 30 plus.
Saan?
Papuntang peak. Kaya i-spot ko. Malaki, sobrang laki gago.
Tingnan mo,
T5 blob to.
may milestone naman tong pairing kasi.
Gago yung buong Biyok Alliance level 34. Papunta sila sa peak.
Anong alayan?
Biyok 34. Going peak. Kung di mo tutulungan alay mo.
Hold southwest. Tumakbo na yung alayan. Hold southwest. Just hold you on when making. Asa na yung boss team? Is my boss team good?
Nandito, ginagawa na nila.
Hold you. Hold on my ping boy.
Galing nyo nga, patayin nyo nga itong scout ng Big Mom dito.
Asan?
Dito.
Southwest. Shallow. 5, 4,
Wait lang. Mark. Shield pa. 3 seconds. Ayan na.
2, 1. On my crown.
Wala.
Nalusaw.
Nagdaho.
On top.
Di Cerrado yung ano.
Yung
Damn.
dinala ng buong alliance, ha? Na-take na nila, hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Tapos na ata.
Folding tunnel yung alay. Nasa enclave na yung alay.
Yeah. May Terry pa bang di na-detect na buto? Constant.
Yung pick ka. Magpupul alliance pa.
Gusto niyo sa lake? Manggago tayo doon.
May gold outpost tayo ah. Steppy.
Just hold, just hold.
Pwede mo na itong expanse na outpost ko. Bago pa kunin ng OMH.
People in the gate, spread out ha, baka mabam tayo.
Hindi pa nakuha yung peak. Or,
Nandun nga, level 40 yung view pick.
nandun ba? Okay. Sige no. Pwede naman mag-declare dyan.
Dad na daw.
Thank you.
Yan na,
Hold no. Done na? Everybody come southwest.
Good job.
Sanzen.
Come southwest, come southwest.
May blob dito ah. Sa
Tayo yan.
OMH.
Ready.